If you're wondering which platform is easier to use for new e-commerce sellers between WooCommerce and Wix, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which one is a better fit for your business needs. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about setup. WooCommerce is a WordPress plugin, meaning it requires WordPress to be set up first. For someone new to e-commerce, that's an extra step that could make things a bit complicated. You'll need to deal with hosting, installing WordPress, and then adding WooCommerce. On the other hand, Wix is a fully hosted solution, which makes it much easier to get started. With Wix, you sign up, choose a template, and you're off to the races. This makes Wix a lot more beginner-friendly, especially if you're not tech-savvy. Next thing to consider is design and customization. WooCommerce gives you full control over your website's design since it's based on WordPress. You can choose from thousands of themes, but customization can be tricky if you're not familiar with coding. While Wix also offers design flexibility with a drag-and-drop builder, it's a bit more locked down. You can create a beautiful site, but the customization options are more limited compared to WooCommerce. Both platforms have their pros and cons here, but if you're a complete beginner, Wix might feel more intuitive for designing your store. The features are crucial when deciding between WooCommerce and Wix. WooCommerce has an extensive library of plugins that allow you to add functionality as your store grows, like advanced inventory management or integration with third-party tools. But keep in mind, with this flexibility, you also have to manage updates, compatibility issues, and sometimes security risks. Wix, on the other hand, has a more closed system. You get fewer customization options, but everything is built in, so you won't face as many technical headaches. For someone just starting out, Wix's all-in-one approach might be more appealing. When it comes to pricing, WooCommerce itself is free, but remember that you'll need to pay for hosting, a domain name, and possibly paid themes or plugins. This can add up quickly. Wix offers tiered pricing, but their plans include hosting and security, which might give you a bit more peace of mind. Still, the monthly cost of Wix can be higher than WooCommerce once you start factoring in all the extra costs for WooCommerce optional add-ons. Now, let's dive into support. WooCommerce has a vast community with plenty of tutorials and forums to help you troubleshoot issues. But the downside is that it doesn't offer direct support unless you're willing to pay for premium support. Wix, on the other hand, provides 24/7 support as part of their plans. This is a big plus for new users who may need guidance along the way. The scalability of your store is something to think about. If you're planning to scale up in the future, WooCommerce offers more options in terms of growth. It integrates with many advanced tools, payment systems, and can handle a larger product catalog without much hassle. Wix is more limited in this area. While it's great for small businesses or starting out, if your store becomes too complex or you need more customization, you might run into limitations. Finally, the user experience. Wix is all about ease of use. Their drag-and-drop builder is simple, and everything feels very intuitive. WooCommerce, while powerful, can feel overwhelming for someone just starting out because there's so much to configure. It's definitely a platform for those willing to put in the work or those with a bit more technical knowledge. So, which one is easier to use? If you're a complete beginner and looking for something simple to get started, Wix might be your best bet. It's easy, quick to set up, and requires minimal technical knowledge. However, if you want more control and are willing to deal with a steeper learning curve for the sake of customization and scalability, WooCommerce could be the way to go. That being said, there's a better option out there. After trying both WooCommerce and Wix myself, I found that for the goal of starting a new e-commerce business with ease and room to grow, a different platform is a better choice. If you want to find out what that is and get the best free trial with exclusive benefits only available to our viewers, check out the first link in the description. You won't regret it.